Welcome back to our channel Mrs. Diva, where we are going to share with you some amazing work from home business ideas. A lot of women like gardening. Let's talk about it today. You love growing your own vegetables and flowers. Consider a scenario wherein you can convert this hobby to earn a good amount of money for yourself or use it as a side hustle to get some few extra bucks. Here are a few options that you have. First is gardening workshops. You can conduct classes and teach others about home gardening or how to grow their own vegetables or flowers. Next is YouTube channel. If you don't have space to conduct these classes, record videos from your own mobile phone while you're gardening yourself and just post them on your own YouTube channel. A lot of people need this guidance about gardening. Selling planters. Apart from this, you can also make small planters of herbs like thyme, oregano, mint, or other plants like spider plant, flowers, and sell them online or offline. Exhibitions. You can participate in exhibitions and sell your own plants, pots, gardening supplies, and other things. Moving on. Selling gardening supplies. You can sell manure, gardening equipments, growing bags, seeds, saplings, etc. You can share your best practices and best experiences about which product works best in what scenario. Last but not the least, gardening consultant. A lot of people want someone to do an initial setup of their garden. You can easily do that and plan what sort of plants, flowers or vegetables or herbs maybe they can grow in their home and suggest accordingly. Help them initially, and also if you have the required skills, you can move on and get into landscape designing. These tips are great if you want to try your hands on rooftop gardening. Considering you have a bigger space, watch out our next video and see how you can earn even more with a bigger space. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our ideas, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, sisters, mother, or any other woman who you think should be financially independent. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from us. If you have any questions, please ask us in the comments below or connect with us on WhatsApp or Facebook. Please find all our social media links in the description below. Thank you.